I'm going to play for you what a lot of people found to be hyperbolic comments by the mayor of Seattle. We'll talk about the legality of it and definitions on the other side.
This is not a Republican or Democrat issue. This is about America and the proper role of law enforcement. I hate to say it, but it looks like this president is doing a dress rehearsal for martial law.
So, Barb, dress rehearsal for martial law. How long a walk is it from where we are tonight, knowing what we know about cities where the feds already are and what may be on their wish list and what the mayor mentions there?
Well, I think what she has in mind is the idea that the president does have the power to call up military personnel to respond to unrest in cities. The president can do that even without an invitation from the locals. That is an awesome power, and we entrust that power to our commander-in-chief. But what we have seen from this president is, some would argue, an effort to escalate tensions in cities like Portland and Seattle, and perhaps creating a pretext that would allow him to exercise that awesome power. And so one certainly hopes that it doesn't come to that. But if you look at all of the conduct that President Trump has engaged in, including the executive order that he issued this weekend that just talks about using our powers to the maximum, there's a lot of chest thumping that goes on. Effective law enforcement brings calm to chaos. And it seems that President Trump is doing just the opposite. And so it isn't a long stretch to imagine that he reaches the point where he says law enforcement, federal agents are not sufficient. We need to escalate even further by calling up the military. And he has the power to do that.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.